Number 12. Here we are looking to just factor. Okay, factor means to just break it down into linear parts. All right. So here we have 2x squared plus 11x plus 5. We're going to do our dash method here. We are going to find two numbers that multiply to 2 times 5, which is 10. Find two numbers that multiply to 10 that will add to this middle number of 11. And those two numbers are going to be 1 and 10, 1 and 10. 1 times 10 is 10, 1 plus 10 is 11. Next, you want to divide by this a term. So that is a 2x, 2x. Let's see if anything simplifies. This does not simplify, leaving you with just a 1 over 2x. The 10 over 2x does simplify because 2 goes into both, becomes 5 over 1x. Okay. The factors are going to be bottom plus top. So it is 2x plus 1 and x plus 5. Here you are done because this is already now in factored form. Okay, you're done. You factored it. This whole process from going to here, this is the process of factoring. You get it? You go from standard form into factored form by factoring. All right, let's do B. Let's do our setup, our dashes. 2 times negative 15 is negative 30. So we're going to find two numbers that multiply to make negative 30. Then we have the middle number here. There's technically a 1 in front of the x. That is the B term. So we're going to find two numbers that add up to 1. The two numbers here, I think it's 5 and 6. 5 times 6. Okay, 5 and 6. Let's see what should be negative. If we put a negative on the 5, let's see if that works. Negative 5 times 6 is negative 30. Negative 5 plus 6 is 1. That's correct. Now we divide by the ax term, which is going to be 2x. Let's see. Does the negative 5 over 2x simplify? No, so it's just negative 5 over 2x. Does the 6 over 2x simplify? Yes, 2 goes into both. 2 goes into 6 3 times. 2 goes into 2x 1x time. Okay, no one really writes the 1 though, so we can just write an x. In factored form, it is the bottom plus the top, so it is 2x minus 5 in one set of parentheses and x plus 3 in the other set of parentheses. Let's do C. We're going to factor again, so we're going to find two numbers here that multiply to the a times c, which is negative 28. That adds up to this middle term of negative 3. Let's find those numbers. 1 and 28, no. 2 and 14, no. 4 and 7, yes. 4 and 7 looks good. Okay, 4 and 7, 4 and 7. But one of them has to be negative. We're going to put the negative on the negative 7 to see if it works. 4 times negative 7 is negative 28. 4 plus negative 7 is negative 3. That's great. Now we want to divide by the ax term. So we're going to divide by 2x. Let's see if this simplifies. 4 over 2x does simplify because 2 goes into each. So that simplifies into 2 over x. The negative 7 over 2x does not simplify. It is just negative 7 over 2x. In factored form, it is x plus 2 in the first set of parentheses and 2x minus 7 in the other set of parentheses. Right? And there you go. That is the process of factoring from standard form into factored form.